Hello my dear students, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher, in front of you with the lecture for grade 3rd. Okay, and we are in chapter number 3rd, that is subtraction. And one more thing is that the last week we provide you the worksheet throughout the week. So I hope you solved all that worksheets. Okay, and if you are having any type of doubt, then you can send your doubt on a school WhatsApp number. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss exercise that is on page number 64 in your book. So get ready for the first question, that is question number 1. First question of exercise that is on page number 64. First question is that fill in the blanks. Okay, see the first blank, 5302 minus what we have to subtract from this number to get 5302. See the B1, minus 1 equals to 3838. See the part C, that is 4536 minus, answer is 0. Part D, 6783 minus 4302, 312 minus 6783. E, part number E, rounding off 742 to the nearest hundreds will give blank. F, rounding off 588 to the nearest 10 tens will give blank. See these questions we are going to discuss. See the part A, what number we have to subtract from this number to get the number. See here, both the number are the same. Okay, when the result will be the same, when we are going to subtract 0 means nothing. In this number we are going to subtract nothing, then what is the result? The number itself. Okay, these all the things we have already discussed in the properties of the subtraction. Okay, 0. Okay, see the part B, you have to subtract 1 from the number to get this number. So 3839. Okay, so this is the predecessor and this is the successor. Okay, so in this you have to add 1. In this you have to add 1 to get this number. Okay, 3839 minus 1, that is 3838. Okay, means if we are going to subtract 1 from any number, what in the result we got? What we got? We got the predecessor of the number. Okay, or in the reverse, what we say? This number is the successor of this number. Okay, see the C, what we have to subtract from 4536 to get 0. Remind that property, if the same number is subtracted, then the result will always be the 0. Okay, so what we have to subtract, that is the same number 4536 to get 0 as a result. See here, 6783 minus 4312. Here 4312 minus 6783. In the subtraction, we can't interchange the numbers. We can't interchange the place of the number, because in that condition both the result are the different. So this is not equal, and this is the symbol of not equal. Both the pattern, the result on the both the side are not equal. So what you have to do is put here sign of not equal. See the next one, a rounding of 742 to the nearest 100 will give. In the nearest 100, when we are going to round off, what you have to do? You have to consider the last two digits. Sorry. What you have to do? You have to consider the last two digits. That here it is 42, which is less than 50. So rounding down, not up, round down. Here it is 700. Okay. Now see the F1, rounding of 588 to the nearest 10. In the nearest 10, what you have to do? You have to consider the digit at one's place. Here it is 8. 8 means which is greater than 5. Which is greater than 5. So it is rounded up. Here it is 590. So these are the blanks. Question number 1 is completed. See the question number B. Question number 2. Okay. I hope you understand this question. See the question number 2. In this you have to subtract 1732 from 5957 by splitting the numbers. By splitting the numbers. Okay, see here how you split the number. Here first you write the largest number, 5957. Here it is 5000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, here 1732. 1000 plus 700 plus 330 plus 2. Okay, now here you have to subtract. Now you have to subtract these numbers. Okay, see here. First, what you have to do in the splitting the numbers, what you have to do? You have to just expand both the numbers. Okay, now here you have to minus 7 minus 2. Here it is 5. 7 minus 2. Here it is 5. Now 50 minus 30. Here it is 20. Okay. 900 minus 700. Here it is 200. Okay, and 5000 minus 1000. Here it is 4000. So here check what's the result. That is 4225. 4220 plus 5, that is 25. Here now check this. 7 minus 2, here it is 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. In this way you have to subtract by splitting the numbers. Split means you have to expand both the numbers, then you have to subtract. क्या करना है आपको पे? सबसे पहले एक्सपेंड करना है नंबर्स को. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म आपको बताया ना, एक्सपेंडेड नोटेशन. एंड देन आफ्टर सिंपली यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 7 minus 2, here it is 5. 50 minus 30, 20. 900 minus 700, 200. And 5000 minus 1000, that is 4000. Now 4000 इस एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म को वापस किस फॉर्म में लिखना है आपको? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. 4225. 4225. 5. Okay, the question number 3 onward we will discuss in our next lecture. I hope you understand the concepts and enjoy the video also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye.